Weekend Modder here with a send-in service proof video for Triston L. Triston, this console has a little bit of a long story for anybody who doesn't know it, but the long and short of it is this is not actually the same console that you sent in. This is your original console, and it's sitting outside of the console because, bottom line, I had to replace it for you. So to hit the high points, basically when your console came in, I did not boot test it. I just went straight to modding it, and for whatever reason, after successfully reading and writing the NAND and writing the ECC, anytime I would attempt to boot the console, the fans would just race, and then it would shut off. And I spent a good long while looking over this console and looking really carefully at all of the points, and you can see here there is no damage. I mean, you can see I've cleaned up really nicely on the header and stuff here, but try as I might, I could not get the console recovered and actually booting. So, is it possible the console had some other defect or was messed up before I ever even received it? Yes, it's absolutely possible. Do I know that for a fact? No. So since I can't prove it or don't know it, I feel like the right thing for me to do morally is to just replace the console. Henceforth, I went out and purchased a new one, a Corona 16 megabyte console. This happened to be what I could get my hands on. Really nice shaped console, clean on the inside. And I gut swapped it because I assumed you would want to keep your white slim case. So this is still a Corona. It's just not a Corona 4 gig. It's a Corona 16 megabyte. We kept your hard drive that was in it. And we RGH'd it up with blue LEDs. There is a disc inside the console here that has your original NAND dumps, CPU key, freestyle dash, and of course all of that corresponds to the console that's in the console, if that makes sense, the motherboard that's in the console rather than the original one, which obviously is non-functional. Blue LEDs, as was requested. We've got freestyle dashboard, dash launch, XEX menu, and Aurora Dash all pre-installed. By default here, it's going to boot directly into Freestyle Dashboard, but be sure to check out the additional video links that come in your final confirmation email. So we'll get this thing packed up. I think this is actually the very first time that I have ever technically violated our 10 business day ship out. So generally, we guarantee that we will return ship the console within 10 business days, and your console is the first one to go over that. I apologize. Bottom line, we screwed up. I'm trying to make it right by replacing the console, so hopefully you can see some value in that. So thank you, and we'll get it shipped back out to you. Take care. Bye.